whatever. We actually start by actually cloning the phpmyadmin into the actual size folder where we got valet packed. So we are gonna git clone and we'll just copy the URL, and you see in here there's a few things. So you see a yarn file and stuff like that, but we'll come back to that. So get your phpmyadmin, and we're just gonna go in depth 1. So let's just clone that. It's just gonna take a minute or two. And we're just gonna cd into phpmyadmin, and we're gonna run composer install and yarn install. Just wait for composer to do its magic, and yarn will do the magic for the front end as well. Now you can see here why we run yarn. It's obviously, if you've come from a PHP background, composer just going to install packages that phpmyadmin depend on, but yarn does this simple thing of actually running some SAS files in the actual themes and putting it in the right place so that you get some styling. So having done that, if I put in valet open, just put in my password, and there you go. You've actually got phpmyadmin running. So again, put in whatever password you've set up for it, and you can see all is sorted and all your database and stuff are in there. That's what just added on here. Okay, that's a quick tutorial, and yeah, subscribe for more tutorial coming up in the future. I'll try to do as many of these quick, simple tutorials as much as I can, probably every weekend, to be honest, when I'm not drinking. All right, thanks for that, guys, and catch you soon. Bye.